Bicho. To Bocon. Dimitri. Nugget. Dito by Ibero. Ibero pass to Bocon. Jason. Lupa. Nugget. Dito by Bicho. To Marjan. Guided by Hooks. Marjan crossover to Marjan. Nugget. Dito by Ibero. Pass to Mac. 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Makmak crossover to Boys. Mac Bulate. Cage Bigor, 11-10.
Okay ka na? Ganit pa tayo. Okay ka na. Video ka mo na.
Salamat Sir Robin. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Score 11-10 in favor of Mac Bulate. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Third Manuana. Cage Bigor, 12-11. Cage Bigor again, Mac Bulate. 5-30, Dito. Taking green, Nugget. 3-5, Dito. To Bird. Bird, back to back is kaya. Wow. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Out of bounds. 5 minutes exactly. Last possession before change. Last possession. 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Kenneth. Cage for the ball. Cage favor again. 14-13 in favor of Team Banana Chips. Next game natin. Team RSL versus Team Tres. Team RSL versus Team Tres. Ewok saving crew. Nugget, Team of 5. Third. David Green. Nugget, Team of 5. Team of 5. Third.
Si Boss Kurt.
Third.
Grabe yun.
Ano yung play sana? 10 seconds to third.
Nagpakilala.
16-13. Nugget, Team of 5. Marjan. David Green. Nugget, Team of 5. Guerrero. Score 16-13. Triple team by Team Banana Chips. Crossover to Pau. Pau to the number 0, Kenneth Yage. First team Pau. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. 16-13. 16-13. Ibero. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Good ball. Now na lang si Bichok. 3 minutes and 29. Bichok to Kurt. Ali play to Bichok. Bichok. 10 seconds to shoot. Nugget, Tino by Guerrero. Pass to Mac. Mac, short out for Mac. Wala pa rin. Gusto na yan? Wala lang. Team Banana. Big. Pass to Marjan. 83. Nugget, Tino by Mac. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Now na si Jason with Nugget, Tino by Kenneth.